Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Mac cursor into a Windows cursor. Now you guys might think I got a new computer. This is the same exact computer, I just made it look like Windows. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Mac cursor, the black and white one, the black is inside the mouse, and the white is on the outline of the mouse. So I'm going to show you how to get the Windows mouse cursor for those who want that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to whatever browser you use. I use Chrome, so I'm going to go back there. And you guys might not be able to find this, but I was looking for some stuff and then I found this. So it's called Fluent Cursors. I'll link it down in the description in the video. And basically, this is basically what it looks like. So once you download it, you just click on here. You go on arrow, click right here. Right click this one, not this one. Right click right here. Save image as, and then you need to put it as arrow. So, and then press save to downloads. Then you want to go back and then click here. Right click right here, small one, save image as, and then you put it as iBeam. The downloads. And then you go back, and then the last one is this one. So click on this one, right click right here, not the big one, save image as, and then you're gonna want to put pointer. Save to downloads. And then all of these are done, so you don't need this anymore. If you don't, I'll show you in a bit how to get these cursors. So, actually I need this. So I'm gonna open all of these, and you're going to open up. We are going to open up everyone we saved. Then we don't need this. We will need it in a bit though, so do not close out of it fully. Just put it to the side. Then like this, and then like that. Okay, so what you're gonna want to, hold on, this is not lined up perfectly. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go and zoom in. You see these little arrows at the top right here? This one, click on this one, and zoom in. And then, hold on. Hold on, I'm just gonna read that because I accidentally messed up. Okay, let me just open that back up. Okay, as I was saying, we need to zoom in, and then we need to crop this, so I'm just gonna do this, backspace, backspace, backspace. Same with this one. Do this one, backspace, backspace, backspace. And then we're gonna go to this one, do the same with it. Gonna do this, backspace, backspace. And then you don't need to like do the shadow because you won't even see the shadows. Like if I okay, it won't let me search. Like look, see, if I show you what it's gonna look like when this is downloading, it's gonna just look like that. You can't even see the shadows. So yeah, and then we just don't need these anymore. It's done. And then you need to download the mouse kit. I'll put the link in the description to download it. You're gonna go to Chrome, whatever browser you use. right now you guys are probably like, oh, what's this? How do I get it? I'll put in the link down in the description below. So once you're on it and you click on it, click this one, not these, this one. Press it, and then it's gonna download, and then you're just gonna press open, and oh gosh, okay, and then just press open, and then it should if it says that, just go to settings, privacy, oops, security and privacy. Come on. Then you want to go to it's this one. It might be this one. No, it's not this one. No, go to firewall. Firewall. Wait, which one? Okay, I think it's privacy. It would have said it right here. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, anyway, if it just says that, you gotta keep trying and trying until it lets you. As you can see, now it's done it, but now it says open. So, and then you'll get this. So you won't have any of this unless you use Mousekeep. You're gonna go to the top corner, press on File, press no, yeah. Wait, what? Happened to New Cape? Hold on. I'm gonna see if we can do a New Cape because it will not. Okay, press New Cape. And then you'll get this one right here. You'll get one of them. Press Edit. And then you're going to click right here. We can name this. I'm just going to name it. Windows Path. And then we're going to click on the plus button right here. Then we're going to go to Unknown. And when it's done, it's still going to do the Apple thing, but it's fine. Because, yeah. And then you're going to get your photos that you had, that you got. So I just need to find mine, and then just press arrow, go here, and then right there. And then if I open this one too, because I need to make sure I get these hotspots right. Save. Okay, so the hotspot for arrow would be 19. Okay, there's so many capes. I don't know why. One of these has to be it. Okay, sorry guys that this is okay right here. So as you can see, arrow is 1916. That's where the hotspot should be. So we go to arrow 1916. So that's what I said. Then we turn this into this. And don't delete anything else. Just delete the zeros and then put in the right hotspot. 16. And then it's right there. And then if you look at here, save. It's the same thing. Now for iBeam, we're gonna do 24, 23.5. So we're gonna go to another one. 24 point and then 23.5. Oops, do not put that. 0.5. And then we need to put our iBeam in. There we go. And then we need to find iBeam. That's where a lot of people mess up. And then our last one. That's why we didn't want to add the other ones because there's like bigger ones. But yeah. And then our next one is pointing. So the one that I told you to save. Find it in your folder right here. Found it. And then we need to right here see hotspot is 1711. So we go to 1711. 1711. So 1711. So we're gonna put 1711. Oh my gosh, my keyboard wire is in the way. And then 17. Hold on, because okay, I just want to make sure that I'm right with this, because if I'm not, it's gonna be bad, and then you guys are probably gonna not. Your things are playing out apart. So 1711. This is 11. Then you need to put in your pointer. Oh gosh. Oh no. Hold on. Okay. You need to put in your thing. So put it in like that, and then we need to put in as pointer, pointing, whatever you want to get. And then we can just X out of this, save the changes, or else it's not going to be. And then you just go here, and we can just press apply. As you can see, it will change everything. So you just press apply. And then you have your Windows pack. Now I'm going to put on this one. So I like this one better. But there you have it. And I'll put all the links in the description to get this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!